Saturday and Sunday night. Our next live card coming up Tuesday night, first post time 6:30 Eastern Time, and there are 14 races on Tuesday night's program. The Trotters have reached the back stretch, and they are underway. Laurel Crossing made a break before the gate. Meanwhile, Elabunda on the outside starting well, along with Canadian Overall. It's going to be Elabunda who surges to the front past Canadian Overall. Broadway's Fortune sits on the inside third, followed by Dream Rocker parked out fourth. Next up there, Marat going past MM's Rosebud. Annie's List is seventh, then Sterling Bullet, and the early breaker is now the deep trailer. That's Low Rail Crossing. Elabunda on top to the quarter-mile marker, 27-4. And now here comes Dream Rocker on the outside. This one in from the Meadowlands, the heavy favorite at 1-2, and makes the front for George Napolitano Jr. as they pass the fans of the fence. The Mayor Broadway's Fortune now comes up and lunges at Dream Rocker, and she takes the lead, I should say. Elabunda back to third. Marat is on the move fourth as Broadway's Fortune has cleared. Inside Canadian Overall, second over Annie's List. MM's Rosebud seventh, then Sterling Bullet, and way back Low Rail Crossing. Half mile 56-2, 28-3 second panel. Broadway's Fortune very aggressive, taking the lead away from the favor and stretching it out to about 3. We'll see how Dream Rocker reacts. Is still the only one close to the leader at this point. Marat moves up into third on the outside, going past Elabunda, who's now fading. Annie's List takes over fourth. Also to the outside there is a Canadian Overall who had to start up his momentum again. Further back to MM's Rosebud and Sterling Bullet. 3/4 reach. The tractor is on the track, drivers. Tractor is on the track. Tractor is on the track. Be careful going around that turn. The tractor is on the track. They're going to go wide around the turn there. The tractor is on the track here in race 14. And we'll see how this plays out here. Dream Rocker is up for the lead. Annie's List on the outside for coming up for second. And it's going to be close, and it's going to be Annie's List at the end coming up for the victory here. Obviously, there's going to be an inquiry here, and the judges will have to deal with this as we complete race 14 with Annie's List coming across the line first. Hold all mutual tickets here in the 14th. Ladies and gentlemen, again, hold all mutual tickets here in race 14 as the judges decide how to sort out this 14th race. Ladies and gentlemen, due to the outside interference, this race has been declared a no contest, and all money will be refunded. Any wagers involving the 14th race will be refunded. So again, if you go to your mutual windows, refunds will be available once the 14th race. This is official now. The judges have announced that this will be a no contest for race number 14.